We're going to talk about our curved and flat versions of our classic bangs. But really, we're going to talk about creating that curved shape, and then we're going to talk about how to get rid of the curved shape. To convert these into straight across, I'm going to take my shortest point and cut straight across from there, which sounds easier than it is. The trick to these is your body position, your guest's body position. If I just stand in front of her and cut what I think is a straight line, if I go across this way, then this hair is always going to end up longer. And we need to make sure that my shears are right in front of the section that I'm cutting every single time. If I take my comb or my shears and just set it on the forehead, you can see that only about this much of the forehead is making contact with the comb. So those are the size of the sections I need to cut in as I'm walking around the head or spinning my guest to maintain a straight line. Otherwise, you're gonna be in big trouble, and you're either gonna end up cutting this too long or, worst case scenario, too short as you chase the line around. I wanna hold that hair still and just cut the longest hairs that poke out. So I'm going to comb down until the shortest hairs spring out of the comb, and then very gently cut straight across. That's it for right here. So now I need to turn her. Really no tension at all. If it's hard to cut backhand like this, we can always point cut, take it into really bite-sized pieces. It makes it a little bit easier to point the shears back this way. And we're looking pretty good and straight, but I still have a corner here, so I need to turn again. Once again, standing right behind that section. So we'll turn to go to the other side. So as a stylist, it's your choice whether you want to move your guest as you cut their fringe or move around your guest. So now that we held this straight, we walked around, stood behind each section as we cut it. Be critical, make sure that they're straight. Really look at them. If they're not straight the first time, you didn't get a bad grade. You only get a bad grade if you say you're done. So take the time to polish them. Now these, we can either leave them fairly blunt like this. However, she was really, really softened here before, so that looks a little strange. Let's go ahead and, with no tension, just cutting same direction the hair is laying. How do you know how much of this to do? When you've done enough. Looks a little crazy right now because she's clipped up. So there I have from a curved fringe to a straight across classic fringe. Next video, we're gonna take these even shorter and switch up our tools a little bit. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, you enjoy being nerdy about hair and hearing the occasional dad joke, go ahead and check out another one of my videos. If you want to see them as soon as they come out, go ahead and click subscribe. Feel free to share this video with any of your nerdy friends. I'll see you next time. Thanks.